In this class, we are going to learn about 8085 microprocessor programming concept. That means how to write assembly language and execute. And now we are going perform addition of two numbers using 8085 simulator. Okay, so let's see the example and try to understand how to write assembly language. So look at now write code. First and all, capital letters using MVI, that means move immediate. B, comma, such suppose value your first values 05. H denote hexadecimal. Okay, and next variable MVI C, comma, suppose you enter 6. Okay, and hexadecimal. Then add, for addition this mnemonic add. Okay, add with b register. Okay, then add c and sta, that means store the value of accumulator 2020 address. So sta equals to 2020 and hlt, that means halt means stop the execution of program. So now let's see this program code. So first of all assemble and then run. Okay, so here the runtime 13 microseconds and 40 t states. What is t states in next videos. So this is the output. We know 5 plus 5, that means 11, and 11 are, that means in hexadecimal B. So this is the result. A register stored the value of B plus C, that means B values. B register stored the value of 05. Okay, then 05, then C value is stored 06. So now in this case what happened? So suppose you know accumulator value initialize plus 0. So 0 plus 5 equals to 0, sorry 5. So and here addition plus c value 6, so plus 5. Now accumulator value 5, so total numbers 11. This 11 number present in hexadecimal B. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, thank you. So this is the program or assembly code 8085 where we are perform addition of two numbers. Thank you so much.